Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile in the BoldFood application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it and here you should just select the third option on the page, which is profile. And you will be now in the page where you can edit your profile. You can edit there your first name, your last name, you can edit your email or Gmail address depending what you have, and finally you can edit your phone number if you want to. So these are the 4 options that you can edit. So for example, if I want to edit my first name, I just delete something and press this arrow backwards, and you can see the next time I check my profile, my first name was just changed, and then any change that I have made will be saved. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.